our carbon foodprint. If you do not change direction, you may end up where you are heading. Walk the loop. As more food system businesses and programs are viable, more waste will be generated and more local resources will be used for production, processing, and distribution. With increased use of resources and generation of waste, the value of resources like water, energy, and waste will increase. As the value of and demand for key resources increases, so will the need for strong policies that promote local resilience. Policies that support resilience will generate capital flows to our local food system. Social, financial, and other capital flows will lead to the development of systems and infrastructure to support water reclamation, composting, feedstock, renewable energy, and other localized resource management innovations. With appropriately developed and skilled infrastructure to make the most of Hawaii's natural resources and waste in the supply chain, food system businesses and programs will be more viable.